In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer surveys on Shopee. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Shopee, getting feedback from your customers is incredibly valuable, and enabling customer surveys can provide you with important insights. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're capturing what your customers think about their shopping experience with you. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Shopee dashboard. This is your command center where you manage your products, orders, and everything related to your shop. If you're already on the Shopee dashboard, great. If not, go ahead and log into your Shopee account and get to that dashboard screen. Now, once you're there looking at the dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your username. Clicking on your username will give you access to a drop-down menu with various account options. In this drop-down menu, you should see a selection called My Account. Simply click on My Account to proceed. This will take you to a section that holds various settings and details about your profile. It's essential to know your way around this area since it's where you'll customize your account to suit your unique business needs. Next, direct your focus to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a list of options here, looking a bit like a menu. From this list, click on the Notification Settings. The Notification Settings page is where you can manage how and what kind of updates you receive from Shopee regarding your store and activities. Scroll through the notification settings to find an option called Customer Surveys. These surveys are vital as they provide you direct feedback from the people who matter the most, your customers. They'll let you know what you're doing right and where you might need improvement. Once you've located customer surveys, it's time to enable it. You'll know it's enabled when it turns green. If it's gray or another color, just click it and it should switch to green, indicating that it's turned on. Now you'll start receiving invaluable feedback from your customers, helping you to tailor and improve their shopping experience, mate. And that's it. You've successfully enabled customer surveys on Shopee. Wasn't that simple? By taking this step, you're opening up a channel for better communication with your customers, which can lead to improved satisfaction and increased sales. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on enabling customer surveys on Shopee. Make sure to take full advantage of these insights to keep your customers happy and your business thriving.